Hello friends, today we are going to see what is turning effect or torque. Okay, so as we know, torque is equal to torque. It's a product of force and displacement. Torque is a product of force and displacement. Okay, always you should take clockwise will be the negative torque, anti-clockwise will be the positive torque. Mostly we'll take clockwise is positive, positive, anti-clockwise will be negative. In this case, clockwise we should take it as a negative, anti-clockwise we should take it as a positive. Okay, and see here what is torque turning effect. Okay, the object has to rotate with the fixed pivoted point. Okay, so it is a fixed point. Okay, the object is going to rotate. Here it is a two torque is there. Okay, one is a door. This example will be it's a pen cap. Okay, see here, this also will be the torque. It's a couple force. Okay, two equal and opposite force is acting each other. Okay, and it's a pen cap. One is example, another one is a car steering wheel. Many examples for the couple force. Okay, and torque is a force into perpendicular distance when you are applying the force. Okay, it is a fixed position. Okay, and here you applied the force, and this is a distance. Okay, torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Okay, imagine if you are applying here is the force. Okay, and this will be the perpendicular distance. Okay, when the distance is less, you need lot of force. Okay, the same thing when we have the nut. Okay, when we are using too small spanner to open it. Okay, you need to apply a lot of force because perpendicular distance will be the less. Okay, that is the reason lorry driver they will use as a long spanner to rotate the nut. Okay, the reason they are increasing the radius. Okay, that means force is they required is less. Okay, when the radius is less, you need lot of force. Okay, that is a turning effect. Under the turning effect, couple force also is there. Couple force, two equal and opposite force acting with the opposite direction. Okay, so one force is this side, another force is this side. Okay, car steering also is example. One force is this side, another force is this side. Okay, now today we are going to do what is a it's a turning effect is created by the car steering or a couple force. Okay, so it is a fixed point. From fixed point. Okay, so left side one torque is going to create, right side one torque is going to create. Here one force, here one force. That is called couple force. Okay, couple force example as I said. Okay, opening the net, here will be one force, here will be the one force opening the net. Okay, and it's opening the pen cap. Okay, and car wheel steering, many things is a couple force. Turning effect means it's a force into perpendicular distance that's going to rotate with the fixed axis. Okay, and couple force means from fixed axis two equal force will be acting in opposite direction. Okay, at the distance of r. Okay, so now here how many torques is created from the center. Okay, from the center, this side one torque, this side one torque, there are two torques is created. Okay, so both will be the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, it is anti-clockwise direction, so we can take it as a positive. First, total net torque will be is equal to torque 1 plus torque 2. What is torque 1? It is force 1 into perpendicular distance 1. Okay, what is a torque 2? Force 2 and perpendicular distance 2. Okay, so we are taken as a radius as a perpendicular distance. Okay, so force 1 is equal to force 2. As we know, both the radius also will be the equal because it's going to make as a circle. Okay, so first torque will be the anti-clockwise, second torque also will be the anti-clockwise. This also anti-clockwise, this also anti-clockwise. In case clockwise means you can take it as a positive. Okay, so force 1 into perpendicular distance and force 2 into perpendicular distance. Okay, plus force 2. Okay, it is a torque 1, it is torque 2. So there are two torques, both the forces are equal. You can take it F as a common. Okay, R1 plus R2, 2 times of radius. Okay, both radius is equal, so 2 times of radius we can take it as a it's a perpendicular distance, it's a diameter. Okay, so force into diameter, it's going to represent as a it's a net torque. Okay, so one of the force and distance between the two force we can take it as a couple force. Okay, couple force definition will be product of any one of the force and the distance between the two force. That means diameter is the distance between the two force. Okay, so distance between the two force, this we can take it as a couple force. Example of couple force, car steering and opening the pen cap. Okay, and opening the pen cap, this also equal and opposite force. Opening the tap, okay, so many things we can tell it's a example of coupled force, but two equal and opposite force has to be act. Okay, thank you.